Welcome to Solve Tech with AD. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up a mesh Wi-Fi network step by step. A mesh network is a group of devices that work together to provide seamless Wi-Fi coverage across your home or office. To set up a mesh network, you'll need a mesh Wi-Fi system, a smartphone, a modem, Ethernet cables, and power adapters. Start by unboxing your mesh system. You'll find 2 or more mesh nodes, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Now, download the official app for your mesh Wi-Fi system from the App Store or Google Play. Connect the main mesh node to your modem using the Ethernet cable, and plug it into a power socket. Open the mesh Wi-Fi app and begin the setup process. The app will help you name your network and set a password. Next, place the additional mesh nodes in other parts of your home, preferably near low signal areas. Plug in the additional nodes and wait for the app to confirm their connection. Use the app to test coverage in different areas of your house. Adjust node positions for better signal if needed. You can explore extra features in the app like parental controls, guest Wi-Fi, and device prioritization. That's it. You now have a fast, reliable mesh Wi-Fi network that covers your entire home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech how-tos.